In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum student. Now today I will continue the unit number 11, force and pressure. In this chapter today you will learn about Archimedes principle. He was a scientist and he gave the Archimedes principle. It states that when a body is immersed partially or fully in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. It means that कि जब कोई भी बॉडी फ्लूइड में इमर्स्ड होती है पार्शली और फुली, तो अपवर्ड फोर्स इक्वल हो जाती है जितना वाटर जितना फ्लूइड डिस्प्लेस होता है उसके वेट के बराबर. हैव यू गॉट इट? बाय द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली. दिस डायग्राम शोज द आर्किमेड्स प्रिंसिपल. इस डायग्राम में आप ये देखें कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो कि डिप हो रहा है वाटर में. अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्किमेड्स प्रिंसिपल कि जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पार्शली या फुली इमर्स्ड होता है वाटर में या डिप होता है, पार्शली मीन्स कि ऑब्जेक्ट वाटर में हाफ डिप और हाफ वाटर की सरफेस के ऊपर हो, और फुली मीन्स कि कम्प्लीटली ऑब्जेक्ट वाटर के अंदर हो. तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट पे दो फोर्स अप्लाई हो रही हैं, एक डाउनवर्ड्स पोजीशन पे जो कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है, और एक वाटर की फोर्स है जो कि वाटर की फोर्स अपवर्ड पोजीशन पे है और वो बियॉन्ड फोर्स कहलाती है. हैव यू गॉट इट? नाउ सी द डायग्राम. जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट को, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो, स्टोन हो या कोई भी हो, तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को जब वाटर में डिप किया जाता है तो दो फोर्स उस स्टोन पर या उस ऑब्जेक्ट पर लगेंगी, एक डाउनवर्ड्स पोजीशन पे, एक अपवर्ड पोजीशन पे. तो कुछ वाटर का अमाउंट डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा या बाहर गिर जाएगा. तो जो वाटर कलेक्ट होगा, जो डिस्प्लेस होगा, उस वॉल्यूम का ऑब्जेक्ट या वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर वो इक्वल हो जाएगा वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट के. राइट? So it is stated that when a body is completely or partially immersed in a liquid, the body loses weight which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the immersed part of the body. Have you got my point? Now we will talk about an iron nailed sink, but a ship made of iron floats. Why? Now see the diagram. A ship has huge mass, therefore it experiences greater buoyant force from water which keeps it floating on the water surface, while a piece of iron has a very little mass, and the resulting buoyant force is also too small to keep it floating on the water surface and it sinks. Now we will discuss about barometers. What is barometers? Atmospheric pressure is measured with the help of a device called a barometer. It is used in laboratories to find atmospheric pressure, and it is used in weather forecasting. So there are two types of barometer. The first one is mercury barometer and second one Aneroid barometer. Many of the barometer used today don't use mercury as it's heavy and expensive. So these days Aneroid barometer are commonly used because they contain no liquid. So we will discuss about the Aneroid barometer. It consists of pointer, spindle, lever, vacuum chamber and it consists of metal box which has a flexible lid held by a strong spring. Changes in the atmospheric pressure produce corresponding small changes in the shape of the lid. The small movement of the flexible lid is magnified by a system of levers which pulls a pulley. As the atmospheric pressure increases, the lid moves inwards. The pulley and hence the pointer turns clockwise. However, when the atmospheric pressure decreases, the pulley and hence the pointer turns anti-clockwise. It is used in weather forecasting, it is used in laboratories to find atmospheric pressure, and it is very light, handy and can easily be carried. It does not contain any liquid. That's why these days Aneroid barometer are commonly used. Have you got my point? What is barometer? Atmospheric pressure is measured with the help of a device called barometer. There are two types of barometer, mercury barometer and Aneroid barometers. It is used in the laboratory to find atmospheric pressure and it is used in weather forecasting. Now this is enough for today. And home task for you. Short questions. Question number 7. State Archimedes principle. Question number 8. What is barometer? What is its use? Question number 9. State 2 advantages of an Aneroid barometer. Question number 10. Why does a piece of iron sink but a ship made of the same iron floats? This is enough for today and we will learn something new in our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.